Assalamualaikum and good morning, Encik Muhammad Zulfikar.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you for coming to interview session for position as a school counselor. Can we start the interview session?
Yes, of course.
First question is, could you brief introduce yourself?
Yes. My name is Muhammad Zulfikar bin Muhammad Atan. I am a fresh graduate from University Malaysia Sarawak. I am taking a bachelor with counseling with honors.
Next question is, why are you applying for this position?
I am applying for this position because I am interested in it. First, I found a website about this company, and then I scroll about it, and then I read something that matches my role perfectly. So I tried to apply it, and then got this interview session, and then I have a strong communication skills such as Malay and English. And last, I have my own transport that are nearby to me, so I can relocate at Subang Jaya easily.
So why are you interested in working for our company?
I am interested in working for your company because I have read in news that tells that this company, this international university, have a highest rated insector university in Malaysia. So I am very excited when I know about that, and then I can learn about something new that what I expected from this highest rated sector in university.
How has your education background prepared you for this position?
My educational background is as a counseling student that I have learned so many skills and theories that I can apply when I teach my students. As a counselor education, I have so many knowledge about that, such as theories RUBT, CBT, and CTRT. So when I know about that, I can apply and teach to my student, and I can help that for them.
Next question is, what strength do you have that would help you success in this role?
For strength, I have two main strengths for now. First, I have persuasive communicating skills and persistence. I can easily do under pressure a work without stress and others. And second, I can do my work as fast as possible. So this will help my job to increase my knowledge.
Can you describe a challenge you faced during your studies and how you overcome it?
I have one challenging that when I'm studying, I had to balancing my studies and my co-curriculum. I am very active at curriculum, but I also must focus in my studying. So how I overcome it is I prepare a timetable and then I list what is urgent and what is important. So when I do that, I will do an urgent and important part first, and then others.
Next question is, tell us about a time you worked in a team. What was your role and contribution?
I have one experience about that also. So I have joined a program that named Mental Health Awareness. in that program, I am a facilitator to a 5 team, and then I facilitated my team to conduct an interactive with them. So what is my contribution with that team is I do an interactive session, an interactive Q&A session to make students many to participate in my Q&A session.
Next question is, what motivates you to perform well in your work?
What motivates me well in my work is, of course, my mom. My mom always supporting me at my back to work hard and work harder. And second is I have a goals to grow my income and then my personal skills. So with that I can increase my knowledge and I got new experience.
Next question is, what are your career goals for the next 3 until 5 years?
What is my career goal? Of course, is I want get a promotion at the highest level in this company, such as I'm being a manager to the team that I lead them, and then when 3 to 5 years I will make this company get a good name over this world, over this country, this Malaysia country, and then I will do I will use my skills to teach all over my employee to get them easily increase our company names.
So the last question is, what are your expectations from us as your employee?
So what is my expectation from you and from the other employee is I hope that you all will be teach me a new skills and new knowledge to me. So I will apply it and then I will teach others others that want to learn something new. So I will and then I hope that others employee will have kindness and good to me, that I very like it. That's all.
Okay. Thank you for